Hey Caesar, this video is for you. I don't like to record a dirty bike. This is my everyday transportation to work. But this is my application for the tour pack. It's a Razor tour pack. The motorcycle is a F6B Deluxe. As you can see, the F6B comes with a rack. So I just utilize the same rack, trace it with a cardboard. I know you can't see. And then use that cardboard to make my drill the holes in the tour pack itself. So it's the same setup, same lineup, and the bolts are from Advanced Auto. I don't remember the part number, but it says on here, if you can see it, I'm not sure. I got a focus in there. Wait until it's focused. It's 01RL 10.9. I don't know if that will help. And that fits in the same socket as the rack. So that's my setup. This is the same holes in the rack, and so that's the setup. Basic tour pack. It's a cheap brand, but it works. It's not the best paint job. However, I was just trying this application before I try another Razor tour pack. Fits the suitcase, briefcase for work, and also have room for other things around it. So it works well for me. And it's not bad. It actually looks good. I receive a lot of compliments on it. But that's what it looks like. If you have any questions, just shoot me a text.